Hey YouTube, I love my build from Shara's Woodshop Diaries mid-century modern nightstand. I'm I'm sorry. I'm sorry, she just wants to sit there, so I'm just gonna let her sit there. I feel like I've learned enough about plywood and how to cut them. I want to finally build our bed frame. Going to watch Shara's video on how to make that, figure out what other little trinkets I need to buy. Let's get to work. All done with research. I bought the plans to make my life a lot easier. The shopping list looks pretty simple. I just need the sheet goods, lumber, these bed rail brackets I might have to buy online, and Home Depot should have the fasteners. Let's go shopping. This is what we just picked up. 3 sheets of plywood, 2x2s, some fasteners. Going to rip it in the parking lot because it won't fit in my car any other way. Got my Craig set up and the insulation foam. Let's do it. Just got back from Home Depot, going to finish unloading, figure out which piece is the headboard and what other parts I need to rip. I got all the pieces for the headboard frame cut. I got the headboard, going to use the pocket hole jig to fasten and glue those together. I got the headboard and headboard frame glued and fastened together. I'm supposed to make the legs next, but I don't have any piece of 1 inch or 1.5 inch solid wood, so I'll need to go back to Home Depot. But in the meantime, I still have all of these pieces to make the side rails and footboard. Just finished the footboard. I am supposed to make the feet that go here and the trim, but since I don't have the lumber for the feet or the trim, I am going to continue making the side rails. All done with the side rail. Same thing, glue, fastener. We have side rail, footboard, headboard. Going to rip that big piece of plywood into all of the supporting bed slats on the bottom. Just finished ripping all of these bed slats. Going to cut the 2x2s that will be fastened to the bottom. I'm guessing those are going to be what holds the majority of the weight. I'm going to end the first part of the video here. I have all of the bed slats, side rails, footboard, headboard assembled. We need to wait for Amazon to deliver the bed brackets. I also need to figure out what kind of hardwood I want to use for the legs. Shara recommended not to use this plywood like I did with the nightstands. She recommended a 1-inch hardwood or a 1.5-inch hardwood. 48th video done. Hey YouTube. It's in the way. What are you guys doing?